What's up guys, thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie. We're going to do a little bit of an update on new things here at Universal Orlando Resort. Thanks for joining us and let's get started. So it looks like Emerald's is officially closed, been a couple of days now maybe. Sorry for those that really like that restaurant. I hadn't got a chance to go, so it's kind of a bummer for me, but we'll see what they put in and replace it with. It looks like I don't know, it doesn't really have any indication of what it'll be. It'll probably be Universal owned, maybe, I'm not sure, maybe a chain, who knows, we'll see. Alright guys, we'll say your goodbyes quick because this rumor has it this Discovery Center will be being replaced soon with a new Jurassic Park / Jurassic World ride. So go ahead and say your goodbyes because it's pretty empty right now, and I don't know if you've been there in the last however long, but it's not super packed. So they're definitely going to make room for a bigger ride. So keep on the looks for that. What's up guys, I'm hanging with Blue. What are you doing? Didn't know, Fast and the Furious Supercharged is open. It's been open for about a month or two. You guys got to come check it out. It's pretty cool. So the walls are down. There's walls in front of the entrance of Mummy, and it looks like they shipped it over here because brand new inside this building is all brand new lockers. So they spent a lot of money to put lockers in here. Let's go check it out. So if you guys haven't tried it out yet, there's a new Voodoo Donut. It has been out for a little bit, but if you haven't tried it out yet, we're going to go inside to check it out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We got covered a lot of ground and it took us a little while because we took our time, but thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie. Like, comment, and share with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.